On this video, I'm gonna be preparing potato wedges with a fried chicken. Guys, welcome to DISHINABECKY channel. Let's start our preparation. Here, I'm gonna be peeling 3 potatoes with you guys. Make sure you stay tuned and let's do this recipe together. So thank you so much for tuning. Thank you for clicking, guys. So let's peel the 3 potatoes. They are straight from the farm. That's why you see they are dirty and obvious. We have to peel them in order for us to start washing. So I'm gonna be peeling only 3 of them. The others I'm gonna peel them behind the camera. Here I've already cleaned them. Sasa let's cut to reasonable sizes. I don't want chunky ones. I want just small sizes. Yeah, let's cut. We're gonna be cutting the only 3 that I peeled with you guys. So in case you're watching this is DISHINABECKY channel. Make sure you like this video. Be sure to comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe at the end of the video, and share if you like the video. You can share with your friends and family. So we're going to transfer the wedges into a container. Then I've boiled water. I'm gonna be dipping them in the boiled water. Leave them for at least 15 minutes or until the water cools down to pre-cook the wedges. So after 15 minutes, here we go. See how the potato looks. They are not cooked, they are just I don't know what to say, zimeiva tu kiasi. So here we're gonna be spicing them. I've put some salt, black pepper, turmeric, and cinnamon. That's what I'm gonna be spicing with. And then I'll put some rosemary just to spice them up. So then I'm gonna, this is rosemary, that's rosemary leaves. Then gonna be mix well. Make sure the spices are well spread, and then look how they are. I'm gonna be putting them in the oven, and then we start preparing the ingredients for chicken, for the fried chicken. So the potatoes, they're gonna take 20 to 30 minutes because I want them crunchy on the outside and soft inside. So I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna use 260 heat degrees because I want them to cook fast, because my family is waiting to have lunch. in fact I was preparing this lunch on a Sunday. Yes, this is Sunday lunch. So for the chicken, I'm using the red onion, and I've cut in rings. And then the tomatoes, I'm cutting small sizes because I want them to cook well. And then I have ginger and garlic, and then I will use sweet pepper, the red sweet pepper. And I'm gonna finish with leaf onion and dhania. So let's prepare this. I'm gonna be fast. Let's finish preparing this ginger and the garlic. That's how I grate them with a grater. And then we cut the red pepper. For your chicken, you can spice it the way you wanna, but me, I want to fry it with what I have in the house for now. So in case you're watching, this is DISHINABECKY. Make sure you like the video, give this video a comment at the end. Let me know what you think about it. Would you cook like this? How do you prepare your wedges? But this is the best way to get good results. Let's start frying our chicken here. The onions are ready. I'm going in with the tomatoes, ginger and the garlic, and I'm gonna leave them cook. I want them to cook well. You see the way the onion, I've cooked the onion. We don't want it to burn, so we're gonna leave them cook. And then second thing we're going in with is the pepper. Leave it cook a bit, and then we add our chicken. Yes, we're gonna be adding our chicken. My chicken is kienyeji chicken. It's not the soft chicken, it's the kienyeji one. So we're gonna leave it fry. Then go in with the leaf onion. My chicken already looks good at this point. So the last thing that I'm gonna be adding into this chicken is the dhania. And our chicken is looking good. It's ready to be eaten. Look at that, guys. Let's check our potatoes. There you go, guys. Really nice, really nice. Guys, I want you guys to use this recipe, and let me see you on the next video. Make sure to leave a message. Thank you, guys. May God bless you. Ciao.